Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Andrew here. It's Sunday, May 15th. This is the weekly update for the TFSA portfolio in Wealthsimple Trade. This is week 58 that we've got going on here now. So we've been in it for over a year. We've seen some ups and downs. Recently it's been, I'm sure everybody knows, pretty volatile. So it's been up and down, but more down the last little while. But yeah, let's get into it. So portfolio is currently sitting at $71,168.60. You can see in that on Friday we were up 1%, $1,015.41. But over the last week, up 421. The last month is where we really see the hit. We were down 4,338 or 6% just in the last month. The last 3 months we're down 3,475 or 5%. But still, over the last year, we're still up 4,838, 7%. And then all time we're up 7,760 or about 12%. So that little short-term blip that we have here going on, it's still we're still doing pretty well in the long term. So hopefully nothing to worry about. We did have some dividends come in last week. So HHL paid us a dividend of $52.24 and DFN paid a dividend of $99. So I took that money and bought 7 shares of HHL for $8.21 each. And then I bought 12 shares of DFN for $8.08 each. That brings me over 1,000 shares of DFN now, which is going to give me $100 a month just from DFN. On Friday, I got a dividend from EIT for $54, so that'll be ready to trade tomorrow when the market's open. So going into the spreadsheet here, so far for May, we're sitting at $415.66 in dividends. I do have Smart Centers, which is still going to pay tomorrow, I believe, after markets close. It'll get deposited. That's about $32. So we'll be up around $447 for the month, so slightly more than last month, which is what we expect because every month we buy more shares with the dividends that come in. So the dividend payments slowly grow month over month. So average portfolio yield is 8.45%, which is about $6,010 a year or $500 a month. Interesting, because we do have that big loss recently. The total dividends received is $65.0954, and then the total gain on the portfolio is $77.34. So I can see that most of the gain in the portfolio is from the dividends, just because the share price has come down on everything. So, but still, we're sitting at 12.2% gain on the portfolio. Going through all the stocks, everything is come back a little bit. DFN is up $39. EIT is up $727.94 still, so it's doing all right. HHL is up $247. That's the healthcare ETF. Smart Centers is still up 1.89%, $113. TXF is really taking a hit. It's down $900 or 14%. That's the Tech Giants ETF, so that holds a lot of big tech stocks that you would see on the NASDAQ. ZWC is up 521 or 7.3%. ZWE is pretty much even. It's down 0.09%. ZWK is the U.S. banks. That's down $617 or 8.3%. ZWS is also pretty close to even. It's down $54. And ZWU is utilities. It's up 279 or 3.69%. So that's where everything's standing right now. I thought just a quick snapshot of the TSX composite index. We can see, like, year to date, we can see that it's up and down, but overall it's dropped from where it opened back in January. We were sitting up at 21,236, and now we're at 20,099. But if you look at the long term, even just over 5 years. It's just a little blip in the long term. This was COVID when we had a big drop here in March of 2020. Had a recovery and then some over the last 2 years, and so yeah, we're just coming back to earth a bit with this, but it's probably going to be volatile for a ways yet. But over the long term, we go up and to the right, so that's all we care about. So yeah, guys, hope everyone enjoys the content. Again, like and subscribe. I know I do have a lot of people that are watching that are not subscribers, so please do subscribe if you don't mind. If you want to get updates on the portfolio every week, hit us a comment and give us a like, and we'll be back in another week for another update. Have a good week, and yeah, cheers.